If you're looking to collect signatures for real estate documents online quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, saving you time and hassle while ensuring everything is legally binding. First, you need to choose the right software for e-signatures. There are several platforms out there, but we've tested all the most popular ones, and today, I'll be showing you the best option that I recommend, which will make the process easier and faster. You can follow along in the video and get an exclusive free trial link in the description below just for you. Once you've chosen the software, sign up and log in. You'll want to start by uploading a real estate document to the platform. Most software supports PDF files, which is ideal for real estate agreements. Once uploaded, you'll be prompted to add signature fields to the document. These are areas where the signees will sign, initial, or date the document. Next, you'll need to add your recipients, the people who need to sign the document. Enter their names and email addresses, and the platform will send them an invitation to sign. Make sure the document is clear and ready for review before sending. You can even set specific instructions or add a message to your recipients in the software so they know exactly what to do. Now comes the most important part, sending the document out for signature. Once everything is ready, hit the send button. The recipients will get an email with a link to the document. They can sign online at their convenience, from any device. The best part? They don't need to download any software. They just click the link, review the document, and add their signature. While the software handles the collection of signatures, you can also monitor the progress. You'll receive notifications when someone has signed, and you can track who has completed the process and who still needs to sign. This keeps you organized and on top of things, especially if you have multiple people involved. Once everyone has signed, the software automatically saves a copy of the signed document for you with a timestamp and a certificate of completion. This gives you peace of mind, knowing the document is legally binding and securely stored. Remember, using software to collect signatures for real estate documents online is quick, simple, and efficient. No more waiting around for signatures or dealing with piles of paper. Just upload, send, sign, and done. The key takeaway here is that you can collect real estate document signatures online easily by using the right software. Choose a reliable platform, upload your documents, and track the signing process, all from one place. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description to follow along with the software I'm recommending. To recap, choose the best software, upload your document, add signature fields, send to recipients, monitor the progress, and download your signed copy. It's that simple. And don't forget, if you want to try out the software we use today, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Happy signing.